We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox not syncing on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox app on your Mac. Look for the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top right of your screen. If the icon has a red circle with a white X, it means Dropbox isn't syncing. Click on the icon to open the Dropbox menu. Next, you need to go to the Preferences by clicking on your account picture or initials, then choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, go to the Account tab. Here, you should see a button that says Fix Permissions. Click on it to allow Dropbox to adjust any permissions that might be causing the sync issue. After that, head over to the Network tab. Make sure that the bandwidth settings are set to automatic. This ensures that Dropbox can use your internet connection effectively. If you've made any changes, be sure to click APPLI to save them. Now, you need to check for any updates. Go back to the General tab in the Preferences window and click on Check for updates. Having the latest version can often resolve syncing issues. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Finally, restart your Mac. This helps to refresh the system and can resolve lingering issues. Once your Mac is back up, open the Dropbox app again and check if it's syncing properly. If you still encounter issues, you may want to unlink and then relink your Dropbox account to the Mac. Go back to the Account tab in Preferences and click Unlink this Mac. Then, sign back into your Dropbox account to re-establish the connection. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.